I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable fast charging. Now, without fast charging being enabled, you can see my phone here. My Galaxy A34 charges at about 8 or 9 watts. There you go. You can see from my cable there. Let's go ahead and enable fast charging. So go to settings. On the main settings page, go to battery and device care. Here you go, battery and device care. Tap on that and then tap on battery, and then under battery go down to more battery settings. Tap on that and then you should see fast charging, and use this toggle button to enable fast charging. Okay, once you do that, just give it a few seconds. You can see we're now fast charging at about 21 watts. Okay, so that's a very significant change. That's going to charge your phone faster. So that's basically how to enable fast charging on your Galaxy A34 5G. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.